First, let's talk about the threats we can get through emails.
Can sending or receiving an email affect our systems, ma'am?
Sure, Rajesh. There are possibilities. Here are some of them. When it comes to email, the most enormous malicious activity comes from spam mails. Spam mails are emails which are created by various agencies and sent to a large number of users. If you really list the number of emails that goes to and fro, more than 70% of the email traffic is really junk or spam mails sent by malicious agencies. Among the spam mails, a huge part is created by well-planned frauds to try and trap unaware users into their network. Their only motive is to cheat or steal your personal data and information. As you might know, that email does not cost anything to send or receive. For this reason, it is the most common medium used by cyber criminals to penetrate into someone's private information. Emails also do not involve much of technology, and it offers low risk to the cyber criminal. This has become a huge advantage for cyber criminals to use emails to send to unwary users, to manipulate the network and its users. Fraud agencies create lucrative emails. These emails offer fake opportunities to people who hardly know about the agencies. These fraud emails reach a very large number of users and offer good returns, as many users click on them and their attachment out of curiosity. They thus become victims of the frauds. Spam mails are generally designed to involve frauds on making friends online. It could offer a created genuine reason, as helping a friend who is abroad and who urgently needs money to pay off his rent bills or any other bills. Unsuspectful users may usually comply with such emails without knowing that is an email created by a fraud agency. So, with achieved success, such agencies get ahead by creating and sending more spam mails to large number of users. They mostly send mails which either asks or request to help someone to pay for his or her medical treatment, or offers about winning a big money in some unknown lottery draw, or one of the email service providers suddenly selecting you as a big winner.
Wow, there could be such malicious and frauds. I was hardly aware of that factor, Nandita ma'am.
Now that you know, Rajesh, so be careful before opening any email from unknown agencies.
That I surely will do from now onwards, ma'am. Are there any other threats while using the net, ma'am?
Yes, Rajesh, there's more. Let me tell you about social engineering.